Hey everybody, welcome back to my garden. Today I wanted to bring you along as I transplant this relatively mature privet shrub. Right now it's in this just kind of hodgepodge of a bed that I'm planning to eventually redo, but I've got the perfect spot for it out in the front of the house where I will be able to let it get a little bit bigger, and I think just generally it'll be a better spot for it than what it's in now. It is early fall, which is really kind of the best time of year to be transplanting things out of the garden. The heat of summer has passed, and it'll still have ample amount of time to get itself established before winter comes and we get really cold weather. So all I'm going to do is dig this guy out, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay, so I got the privet all situated here in its new spot. My last step will be to come in and water it well. You can see it's already wilting a good amount just from being dug up and transplanted. I'm not concerned about that, but I definitely want to make sure that I give it a drink today. And then I will keep it moist for the next 2 or 3 weeks or so. And then after that, the drip system that's already here should be more than enough water to keep it happy. As I was planting it, I mixed in a good amount of this Espoma Biotone starter fertilizer. You can use this or really any organic all-purpose fertilizer is totally fine. You want to use something, especially when you're transplanting things, just to make sure that they have nutrients readily available in order to establish a new root system and really get situated in their new spot. But other than that, I think that this plant is going to do phenomenal in this area. I'm really excited to see it grow and see how big it gets. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below so you can see how this guy gets on and how the rest of the garden fills in. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.